So this is an amplifier with design, really cool. I started to go in with a new hobby. I would need to see how long it's going to take me to learn. And it comes with batteries, so that's cool. And let's see, it's really small, and look at this. It's an amplifier, multimedia digital amplifier. Look at this. So I got an electric guitar, and this comes in perfect. You can plug it in for the guitar. You can have your phone, headphones, etc. So let's see this. So look at the little. So it can just so cool. Perfect design. Look at this. So in the back, you can also do it in plug-in with hard powered up, and then you have an option to put batteries, and then it came with batteries. I like the design in the front, so let me just show you. Look at this, so vintage, so vintage. And then here have this rubber design on the back and front. I'm gonna plug it in with the hardwired. It is convenient that you can always put in the back here, and then I plug it in, and then you can just adjust the different bass and drive when you plug in your guitar here. And then you, instead of playing it, you can put it in the headset, so the voice control portion. Oh, it's so vintage. Love it.